Hello guys, what's up? It's me Rion, and today we're going to be learning about uh, how to resize text box and how to resize images in HTML. So we're going to be continuing with the same file, and if you're new, you could check out my last videos so you can see like what we like everything we did last time. So let me just make a quick like run through. So this is what like a normal paragraph text looks like. This is like H1 to H6. This is like a button that has no text. This is like a table. This is a table and unordered list, ordered list, external link to Google Maps, like internal link. If you can see, there's like two stuff right there. Like it redirects to section 1 and this redirects to section 2, like which is the bottom. And you can see I have two images, like one is in like the same folder as like the HTML document is. One is just in downloads. So it's like they're like very different. So that's why one is just like downloads with background, others is like CU is code and /download blah blah blah. So now today we're gonna be to actually resize the image. We're gonna be learning about that right now. So let me just put some break lines, make it looks better. So to actually resize the image, I'll just show you use like two certain commands, like width command and height command. You like write it down in like the text box itself. So let me just demonstrate. img src is okay. Download to the JPEG. I got another image so like demonstrate this. Now if I go out of this and if I close this tag, run it, go all the way down, and this is like what the normal size looks like. Now closing it. Now if I go back in here and say width and also if I say height, you can see like there's two command pops up. So I mean like line codes pops up, not commands, sorry. So if you want it like really small or really big, you could like change this, like this number right in here, like that number relates to like pixels. So let's say if I want it to be like 20 pixels big, which is like really small, I could just like set it at 20 pixels and it's like tiny, you can barely see it. And but if I want it to be like really big, like so big that it's like annoyingly big, let me just demonstrate what that would look like too. If you just scroll down, you can see like the image is right here, but it's so big that it's like that the it's so big right now, the image quality is like so bad. And that's another thing about using like doing this. So resizing in HTML, like it resizes the image in the browser. So if you had like a picture that's meant for like 200 pixels and you upgrade it to like 2000, like what I did, it's gonna look like horrible like that. If you actually want something to like look good and not have horrible quality, I would recommend doing it in like a photo editor. If you're doing something like minor, like trying to get it to exact size you want, you could just like use these. So I'm gonna leave it at 20 pixels. So that's how you resize the image. Got that? So now about like forms and how to like resize text box. So if I to actually input like a text box in there, we got to open another command first. It's called form. So let me just write a command to do that. Form. I'm gonna close that. So in between these are where you put like all your code. Like if you want like a form or something, like a form for your like website registrate, like that's how I'll be putting in like a new video about forms like later on. So this is for now. I'm just showing you how to resize text boxes. So if I so actually open a text to actually make a text block, it's gonna in the input command. So input, not I mean input thing. So input, and like to actually make it a text box, you just put a type equal this is like all the like the types of inputs there are inputs. So the type is text. So now if I close it, it's like it's only one it's only there's no like second element there. It's only one element. So input type text, and now I'm just gonna make another one for demonstration purposes. There we go. Annoying be like. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna put some break lines, make it look better too. We go now. It's gonna look like this. So as you can see, it looks like this with like everything I did. It's like two separate with like few lines of few a little bit of space in between. So now let's say you want this to like be bigger. So and you want to see like you want to see like the whole entire text without just it like scrolling all the way over there. To actually make that, you could use the command is called size. So you just I mean like the code is called size. So you put it in within like the elements. So like size, no not six size. If you put it as like either the like the base is 25, I'm just gonna put it at double, that is 50, like which looks really nice compared to like this. If you want, yeah. So this is what the average normal one looks like. This is like like the size 51 looks like. So that's like, so you can change it to any size you want. So like size 100, let's say. So size 100, no, not new terminal. Size 100, let's say. So a size 100 would like be like this big. So like this would be a quarter of a size 100 one. I'll just leave it at 50 though. So so you could use this like command if you want, like if you want someone to write like their full name or and like just like their first name or like a full name here and like a first name there and like some other like stuff like a power like basically anything you want them to do, you could just like do here. So like this could be like a first name and this could be for like a full name, yeah, like what I just told you guys. So that's all that's all about there's about resizing inputs and images. So see you guys in the next video, and bye. See you guys in the next video.